Do you want to talk about your life in English? Do you want people to understand you clearly? Do you want to feel confident when you speak? Then stay with us, because today's episode is made just for you. We promise you will learn something really useful today, something you can use right away. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart English Official, the best place to learn English the easy way.
I'm Lima.
And I'm James.
And we are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, today's going to be really fun. I can already feel it.
Me too, James. So, James, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Lima. Actually, I'm feeling amazing. I had a really nice morning.
Oh, tell me everything.
Well, I woke up early. I made a hot cup of coffee, and I just sat by the window and watched the world outside.
Oh, that sounds so peaceful. I love mornings like that.
It really was. A quiet morning is the best gift.
Warmly, it really is. And speaking of nice things, a big warm hello to all our wonderful listeners.
Hello, everyone. Whether you are at home right now, on the bus, at a coffee shop, or maybe even at the gym.
Yes, even at the gym. We are so glad you chose to spend this time with us.
You make our day brighter. Thank you for being here.
Now, before we begin today's lesson, if you are new to Smart English Official, please hit that subscribe button right now.
It is free, and it helps us so much.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a like.
And share it with a friend or family member who is learning English. Sharing is caring.
Yes! Every like, every share means the world to us. Thank you so much.
Okay, Lima, I have a question for you. What is one thing every person in the world does every single day?
Every single day. Eat? Sleep?
Yes, but also, we have habits. We do the same things again and again.
Oh, daily habits?
Exactly. Today, we're going to talk about daily habits and hobbies.
I love this topic. It is so real. It's about our everyday life.
Right. And the best part? We will teach you how to talk about your habits in English.
Yes. After this episode, you will be able to talk about what you do every day, what you love to do, and how often you do it.
This is very useful English. You can use it in real conversations, today, tomorrow, every day.
Let's get started. Okay, James, let's start simple. What do you do every morning?
Great question. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? Wow, that is so early.
I know, but I love early mornings. After I wake up, I drink a big glass of water.
That is a very healthy habit.
Yes. Then I do a little exercise, just 15 minutes, nothing too hard, just enough to wake my body up.
Oh, that's great. Me, I usually wake up at 7. I am not a morning person.
That is perfectly okay. Everyone is different.
Exactly. Now, listeners, did you notice something just now?
Yes. Did you hear the words we used? I said, every morning I wake up. Lima said, I usually wake up at 7.
These small words are very important. They are called frequency adverbs.
Frequency adverbs tell us how often we do something. Let's learn them one by one.
The first one is always. Always means 100% of the time, every day, no exceptions. For example, I always brush my teeth in the morning, every single day.
The next one is usually. Usually means most of the time, but not always. For example, I usually eat breakfast at home, but sometimes maybe I'm running late and I skip it.
Then we have often. Often means many times, more than sometimes, less than always. For example, I often listen to music when I cook.
Next, sometimes. Sometimes is right in the middle. Not a lot, not a little. For example, I sometimes watch a movie on weekends.
And finally, never. Never means 0 times. It never happens. For example, I never skip my morning coffee. That is very true for me, by the way.
I believe you.
So, listeners, we have 5 words to remember. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never.
And here's the good news. They're easy to use. Just put them before the main verb. For example, I always drink coffee. She usually reads at night. They never miss class.
Simple and powerful. Okay, James, let's keep going. What do you often do after work?
After work, I usually cook dinner.
Really? You cook?
Yes, cooking is actually my hobby. I love it. I sometimes try new recipes. Last week, I made a big bowl of spicy noodles.
Oh, wow. Was it good?
It was so good. I surprised myself.
Okay, now I'm hungry. Okay, what about you, Lima? What do you do after work? After work, I often go for a walk. I love walking in the park.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
It really is. The fresh air, the quiet streets, it helps me relax. I also often call my mom after my walk.
Warmly. That is so sweet. Family is everything.
It really is.
Let's talk a little more about hobbies. A hobby is something you do for fun, something you enjoy.
Hobbies are important. They make life more colorful. They help you relax and feel happy.
And here's a very useful English question. What do you like to do in your free time?
Free time means the time when you are not working or studying. It's your time.
And to answer this question, we use the phrase I like plus a verb with ing. For example, I like reading. I like cooking. I like playing sports.
Let's practice together. James, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like playing the guitar.
Oh, you play guitar? I didn't know that.
Yes, I'm not very good yet, but I enjoy it so much.
How long have you been playing?
About 2 years. I practice a little every day.
That is amazing. You know what people say. A little every day is better than a lot once a week.
That is so true. And it's the same with English.
Yes. If you practice English a little every day, even just 10 minutes, you will get better so fast.
Listen to a podcast, read a few sentences in English, watch a short video. Every small step counts.
What do I like doing in my free time? I like reading books.
Oh, what kind of books?
Mystery books. You know, the kind where there's a big secret and you have to guess what happened.
Oh, yes, I love the suspense.
Exactly. Sometimes I stay up very late because the story is too exciting.
Oh no, that is not good for sleep, Lima.
I know, but I just cannot stop reading.
I totally understand that feeling. When something is really good, you just can't stop.
That's the best feeling. Okay, everyone, let's do a quick review of today's episode.
First, we learned about frequency adverbs. These words tell us how often we do something.
Let's say them together. Always, 100% of the time. I always wake up early. Usually, most of the time. She usually drinks tea. Often, many times. They often go for walks. Sometimes, a few times. He sometimes cooks pasta. Never, 0 times. I never skip breakfast.
And remember, put the frequency adverb before the main verb. I always drink coffee. She never misses class.
Simple and powerful. Okay, James, let's keep going. What do you often do after work?
After work, I usually cook dinner.
Really? You cook?
Yes, cooking is actually my hobby. I love it. I sometimes try new recipes. Last week, I made a big bowl of spicy noodles.
Oh, wow. Was it good?
Oh no, that is not good for sleep, Lima.
I know, but I just cannot stop reading.
I totally understand that feeling. When something is really good, you just can't stop.
That's the best feeling.
Okay, everyone, let's do a quick review of today's episode.
First, we learned about frequency adverbs. These words tell us how often we do something.
Let's say them together. Always, 100% of the time. I always wake up early. Usually, most of the time. She usually drinks tea. Often, many times. They often go for walks. Sometimes, a few times. He sometimes cooks pasta. Never, 0 times. I never skip breakfast.
And remember, put the frequency adverb before the main verb. I always drink coffee. She never misses class.
Second, we learned how to talk about hobbies. Use I like plus a verb with ing. I like reading. I like playing guitar. I like cooking.
And to ask someone about their hobbies, say, what do you like to do in your free time?
It's a simple, natural, and friendly question. Use it.
Lima, this was such a great conversation today. I feel like I know you better now.
Me too, James. I didn't know you played guitar.
Now you know. Maybe one day, I'll play a song for you.
I would love that.
Well, everyone, that is all for today's episode of Smart English Official.
We hope you had fun with us today, and we hope you learned some really useful English.
Remember, practice a little every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
And now it is your turn. We want to hear from you. Leave a comment below this episode. Tell us about your hobby. Write something like, I like drawing. I sometimes play basketball. I always listen to music.
Anything. We read every comment, and we love hearing from our listeners.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Smart English Official.
Give us a thumbs up and share this with a friend who is learning English.
Your support helps us create more episodes like this one, and we are so grateful for every one of you.
Thank you for being part of the Smart English Official family.
From Lima,
And from James, both, goodbye for now.
keep learning, keep smiling.
And we will see you in the next episode. Why?
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.